Looking for the best reciprocating saw of 2025? Whether you're tackling heavy-duty tasks or DIY projects, we've got the top models that promise power, precision, and reliability. Stick around as we dive into the best options and help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Milwaukee 2720-21M18 Fuel Sawzall. It stands out with its impressive performance and thoughtful design. This cordless reciprocating saw comes complete with a battery, charger, blades, and a convenient stud hanger, perfect for those working on ladders. Its rubberized pistol grip and additional front hand grip ensure comfort during extended use. The saw excelled in endurance tests, cutting over 150 times through a 2x4 before the battery drained. It also performed well in cuts per amp hour, while the plastic levers for the depth guard and blade change could wear out over time, and it was tough on blades during metal cutting. The brushless motor included accessories and powerful cutting performance make it a worthwhile investment. Despite being the priciest option, the Milwaukee Fuel Sawzall delivers exceptional quality for heavy-duty tasks. Number 2. Bosch RS428. This corded reciprocating saw is a powerhouse for tough cutting tasks. Its impressive turning radius allows for precise, sharp cuts, while the comfortable grip makes extended use manageable. The vibration control system ensures smooth operation, and the variable speed trigger lock is useful for long demolition jobs. However, there are a few drawbacks. The depth guard can be difficult to adjust, and the blade changing mechanism requires extra effort, turning a black lock before inserting a new blade. Additionally, the saw has a slight delay before reaching full speed. Despite these minor issues, once it ramps up, the RS428 slices through materials quickly, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty work. Number 3. Porter Cable PCC670B Tiger Saw. For homeowners who only need a reciprocating saw occasionally, the Porter Cable 20-volt max variable speed reciprocating saw offers an excellent budget-friendly option. Lightweight and portable, this saw is easy to use with one hand, though it remains comfortable with two. While it cuts slower than high-end models, it delivers smooth and clean cuts with a tighter turning radius. Lacking extra features, it focuses on what really matters: reliable performance. The standout feature is its impressive battery life, outperforming others in cuts per amp hour. Tested with a 4 amp hour battery, it came in second for overall cuts completed. Offering great value for the price, this saw is a solid choice for those seeking affordable performance. Number 4. DeWalt 12 amp reciprocating saw. It offers impressive value for most home applications, delivering solid performance at a fraction of the cost of cordless models. With a 1 1/8 inch stroke length and a max speed of 2,900 strokes per minute, it cut through a 2x4 in about 18 seconds. While it doesn't match the power of high-end 15 amp models, it's well suited for typical tasks. The innovative blade design allows for vertical or horizontal blade installation, making it easy to cut in various directions. The large guard helps stabilize the blade, while the vibration damping ensures precise cuts. At just over $100, this saw provides great performance and exceptional build quality from a trusted brand. So, which is the best? After testing, the Milwaukee reciprocating saw stands out with its unmatched power, durability, and innovative features, making it the clear winner for 2025.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.